Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about division. Let's dive in. What is 4 divided by 2? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. What is 10 divided by 5? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 2. What is 6 divided by 3? 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Move on. What is 12 divided by 2? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. What is 9 divided by 3? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. What is 20 divided by 4? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 5. 20 divided by 4 is 5. What is 15 divided by 5? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 3. What is 10 divided by 2? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. What is 14 divided by 7? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 2. 14 divided by 7 is 2. What is 18 divided by 3? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 6. 18 divided by 3 is 6. What is 24 divided by 6? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 4. 24 divided by 6 is 4. What is 30 divided by 5? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6. What is 16 divided by 4? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. What is 27 divided by 9? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 27 divided by 9 is 3. That's cool. What is 36 divided by 6? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 36 divided by 6 is 6. What is 21 divided by 7? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 3. 21 divided by 7 is 3. What is 32 divided by 8? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 4. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Last questions. These are hard questions. What is 84 divided by 6? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 14. 84 divided by 6 is 14. What is 96 divided by 8? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 96 divided by 8 is 12. What is 72 divided by 9? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 72 divided by 9 is 8. What is 63 divided by 7? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 63 divided by 7 is 9. What is 54 divided by 6? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 9. 54 divided by 6 is 9. What is 81 divided by 9? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 81 divided by 9 is 9. What is 48 divided by 4? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is 12. 48 divided by 4 is 12.
What is 90 divided by 5?
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 90 divided by 5 is 18. That's cool.
What is 56 divided by 8?
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 7. 56 divided by 8 is 7.
What is
Yeah, what is 64 divided by 8? 98, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 8. 64 divided by 8 is 8.
What is 5 divided by 0?
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tell me in the comments.
Yeah, tell us in the comments.
Thank you guys for watching. We hit 1,000 plus 300 subscribers. Isn't that good? That means in total we have 1,300 subscribers. Thank you for supporting our channel on reaching our goal, and see you next time. Subscribe to both of the. Bye everyone. See you in our next